Yo, what's up? It's Lucky7 here, and in today's video, we're gonna be opening up all of these mails, and we're gonna be going to a Pokemon League while opening up these mails, and I'm gonna be doing a deck profile tomorrow. Sleeves, because we got some sleeves, and then we're gonna be opening some mail. So let's start with this one. If you want to send something to me, it's my PO box. Yeah, let's start with this mail. I don't want to rip the card or something. Let me turn on the light. There we go. A little bit better. This will get us ready for the league. With this, I want some cards. Oh yeah, I remember this. The 3 great balls. No, the 3 ultra balls and the 1 great ball. Some tape on here. Yeah, I will be doing the deck profile tomorrow, and we will be going to a league today. We might be going to 2 leagues today. Not really sure. Trying to be ready for regionals. It's really hot outside today. To do remember correctly, this is 1 great ball, and then the other side, and 3 ultra balls, which I do need for the deck, which is 3 ultra balls. Coming out gratefully. That's the key. Next up, we'll be doing this one. Do not bend. Oh yes, the Professor Sycamore. That 1 Professor Sycamore. There's a letter. Nope. Professor Sycamore. Sorry about that. Take this bad boy out. Needed more than 2 in the deck. So I got 1 extra one, which makes 3. And here it is. Professor Sycamore. And what else we got here? Hopefully the Taurus come in today. Be very lovely. Is this it? This is Taurus? Ah, no, it's not. Hopefully this is. But this is the delinquents that I bought. For delinquents, which is a really good card to have in the deck. This card, any stadium card in play, if you do, your opponent's card 3 cards from his or her hand. Very, very useful. And minor card brackets. Hopefully, it's a Taurus. I will say why not. Hopefully, I'm guessing because I need it really badly for this league. Come on. Taurus. Yes! It is! The Taurus GX. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed. It came just in time for the league too. Just in time. Taurus GX. And I will be uploading the league with Lizard as well. There we go. Taurus GX. The reason why this card is so good, because Rage attack does 10 more damage to each damage count on the Pokemon, and Horn attack does 60, and Mad Bull GX attack does 30 damage for each damage count on this Pokemon. That's pretty good. Put all this trash to the side. All this good old goody trash to the side. The sleeves and the top loaders right there. And did we apply up this? Here's the sleeves. I love when Dan says on the Darius Pokemon to get the sleeves. And we are getting the sleeves. Oops, sorry about that. trying to get the sleeves. And I did get the 100 pack sleeves off of eBay. Did cost me $5. It was very cheap. It usually costs 10 or more, but I got them for $5. The thing about why is super ready for this league. I'm like, yeah, I know. So we are going to be putting the deck together right now before the league starts. But this is really good sleeves too. From Ultra Pro. Ultra Pro sleeves. Get the sleeves! You can see that Pokemon Fit sleeve. And we will be putting it in the cards as we speak. So if you are ready for a Pokemon tournament, you always want to put your sleeves in the card. And then you want to test run your deck before you run as well. Because I think it's a good idea to test run your deck before you go to any tournament. I already test run my deck last week, and I'm going to test run it like a couple times before. So yeah. And if you like the way I'm doing these videos, like putting the cards in the sleeve before the tournament. Actually, I don't think I need a Great Ball in this deck. I really don't think I need it. Let me know, because... And as you guys don't know it, I'll run it as the Citywide Vileplume deck. So I'll be doing a deck profile on that very soon, tomorrow, when I get back from work. So that would be fun. And if you guys wonder how I pay for these, I do work. Look at this size. But yeah, I think this is gonna be taking a little bit longer. So, you know what? I just say I'll get back to you guys in a little bit once I'm done for this. And then we'll see the finished product, and then we'll leave for the league, and then we'll come back. And then tomorrow we'll be doing the deck profile. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. And yeah, hopefully we do well at the league, and wish me luck. So see y'all later, and peace. Finishing product has been completed. Do have my sleeve, and we are ready to head out to the Pokemon League. This is the first time that I really have a deck of my own for Pokemon. It's pretty cool, even with sleeves. It's kind of slippery because these are brand new from the store. And yeah, we are ready to head out to Pokemon League. Just remember 3 things: being your GX counter. If you don't have your GX counter, they will have it there, and other people will have dice. Just in case you're new to the game and you don't have your dice, so that's a good thing. And yeah, that's about it. And yeah, we will be on our way to the Pokemon League in a little bit. And yeah, wish me luck, and hopefully we can do better than last time. Last time I went 1-1, tied 1, and lost 3. So hopefully we can win more than 3. At least win 3. That'd be pretty solid. So yeah, that's all we have for you guys right now. And next time you see me, we'll be at the league. So peace. Yo, what's up? This is Lucky7, and we are at Moss League Comics. We got all these cool Pokemon products right here. Got the Dragonite, ES box, your camera. They also got some comic stuff. Like torpedoes. This is where I do my leagues at. Pretty sweet. Hopefully we can do good at both leagues. Enter in both. And shout out to Moss League Comics. They do awesome products, accessories. Cool. That's it I got for you guys right now, and I'll see you guys later. Yo, what's up? We are at the league again, as we have here in tag Sun and Moon. Let's see what we can get out of this. See what you got there.
Something like she has one.
You have one, and I traded it. One of the full of look at pretty good right now.
It's like $15.
Yeah, that shit went up.
She has one of them.
Oh, green coat.
Crystal.
Hey, nuts.
Hey, you got a muck. Fire, Wishy Washy, Howl, Dirt Tricks, Wingle, Stuffle,
So
Populous.
Dark Ride GX.
Zubat,
I don't even
Cylinder,
want to talk about it.
Shit, done.
Reverse Uncommon Hollow Cutie Fly, and a pile of
Oh,
sand.
sand.
Well, that's nice. You should make it a GX. Nah.